Did your iPhone go on a diving course at the seaside? Or did it accidentally fall into the toilet? Now there is a water stuck in your device, leading to muffled sound and potential damage while charging. Don't panic. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to eject water from your iPhone in 10 seconds. First things first, you're going to need this shortcut application, which is available in the App Store for free. And you will need an actual water eject shortcut to install into your iPhone. Link is in the description down below. Once you're there, tap Get Shortcut, and then add Shortcut. Now the new shortcut is installed and you can eject water from your iPhone. Tap on Water Eject, then tap Start, and now you have 3 levels of intensity. Choose which one you want and make sure you put the volume all the way up on the speakers. Now you can see the water coming out of the speaker. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to. This clever shortcut uses the iPhone's built-in Taptic engine to create a series of vibrations that dislodge the trapped water molecules. Save this video for the next time you find yourself in a soggy situation. Follow us for more pro tips and useful videos.